Today we are reflecting on excuses. Excuses are rationalizations people make to avoid taking responsibility for their actions or decisions. People use excuses to avoid taking responsibility for their actions, decisions, or the lack of progress in their lives. These excuses serve as a barrier that prevents individuals from achieving their true potential, acting as a defense mechanism against discomfort and challenges. When individuals rely on excuses, they remain stagnant, unable to move forward or achieve meaningful growth. Overcoming the habit of making excuses is a process that starts with assuming full responsibility of your life, including your successes, your failures, your destiny, and your accomplishments. Now, rather than attributing results to external factors or other people, take an honest look at your own choices and actions to understand their impact. Recognizing the urge to justify or externalize failure is a major step in defeating excuses.